Do you know why your friend Nikki Shell, is off so much? It's very late, and we should be starting the lesson by now. Yeah? I don't know. Okay. Where is she? Don't ask me. But Mom, let me wear the yellow collar. I really like it. I don't want to wear the pink one. Ah, fine. Just go and put it on. I need to go to work. Bye. Finally. Can I get dressed? There. Ready.
Ema, have we finished now? Ema.
Where were you? Oh, me and my mum were deciding what to wear this morning. Ah, I see. Well, I let you off with a warning. Okay, thanks. Today we're going to be learning the perimeter. Anyone good at it? Oh, I am. Me. Tell us about how perimeter works. Okay. Well, firstly, ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. That was the bell. You are dismissed.